Did you know you can make your own DIY Reed Diffusers using essential oils? Here are some tips and some of my favorite essential oils to use when I make a DIY Reed Diffuser. You can really use any essential oil in a DIY Reed Diffuser, but there are a few things to consider. Like citrus oils evaporate really quickly. If you use it in a Reed Diffuser, the smell isn't going to last very long. If you combine 1 drop of peppermint with 1 drop of orange, you probably will only smell the peppermint. Because of this, a great place to start with your DIY Reed Diffuser is with your favorite essential oil blend. Blends are already formulated to be long-lasting and have a balanced aroma. If you want to create your own custom blends for your Reed Diffusers, I've got some tips coming up in just a couple moments. Another thing to consider when picking out your essential oil or essential oil blend for your Reed Diffuser is what kind of mood you want to have in the room. Next, you can think about what kind of benefits you want your diffuser to have. In other words, what kind of emotions and moods do you want your Reed Diffuser to evoke? For a happy smelling place, try our Happy Joy blend. For relaxing vibes, try our Peace and Quiet blend. For a tropical vacation, try Lava. For the holidays, gingerbread, candy cane, and winter spice are great options. In the description of this video, I've shared a cheat sheet with a bigger list of suggested essential oils and blends to try in your DIY Reed Diffuser. If you want to make your own custom blend for your Reed Diffuser, I have 2 tips for you. The first is to think about essential oil notes. Every essential oil has a different note, and that refers to how fast it evaporates and how quickly you smell the oil. Oils that are top notes, they tend to be citrus oils, evaporate really quickly and are one of the first smells to hit your nose. Middle notes you typically smell second, and they evaporate more slowly than top notes, but not as slowly as base or bottom notes. Base notes, or sometimes called bottom notes or even grounding notes, evaporate the slowest and really ground your blend. Try using oils from all 3 notes when you make your Reed Diffuser blend. This is going to help your blend smell strong and evaporate more slowly. You can figure out what note the essential oil is that you're looking at by checking out our website. The notes will help you create a long-lasting blend, but will help you create a balanced blend is something called blend factors. Blend factors are numbers assigned to essential oils based on how strong they smell. For example, jasmine essential oil smells extremely strong and it's given the number 1. Lavender essential oil does not smell as strong compared to jasmine, and it's given the number 7. You can use those numbers to help you calculate how much of each oil you should use in a blend to help it smell balanced. I'll include a worksheet in the description of this video that will walk you through the process of using a blend factor to create a balanced smelling blend. To find an oil's blend factor, you can smell the oils you're using, kind of guess what number you think they'd be based on how strong they are, or we have blend factor numbers on our website. You just go to the oil page and then look at the description box. If you'd like a more in-depth video walking you through the process of creating your own balanced smelling blend, let me know in the comments. What essential oils or essential oil blends are you going to use in your DIY Reed Diffuser? Remember to check out the cheat sheet in the description box below to master the art of making your DIY Reed Diffuser. I've also got a whole playlist of DIY Reed Diffuser recipes, tips, and tricks that I will link in the description box that will help you become a DIY Reed Diffuser maker.